Welcome back to Spy Garage.
In the market for excursion vehicles, the 2025 Mercedes-Benz Unimog Motorhome is the pinnacle of tough capability and elegant comfort. Constructed on the powerful Unimog chassis, which is known for its unmatched durability and off-road capabilities, this motorhome goes beyond the typical limits of recreational vehicles by providing a mobile haven designed for the roughest terrains and long-distance independent travel. The 2025 Mercedes-Benz Unimog Motorhome's appearance demonstrates its strong engineering. The cornerstone of this remarkable vehicle is the classic Unimog cab, which is distinguished by its portal axles, high ground clearance, and unique stance. Carefully constructed from high-strength materials, the integrated habitation unit offers a safe and well-insulated living area while blending in well with the chassis' tough appearance. Its expedition-ready qualities are highlighted by features like integrated winches, auxiliary lighting, and sturdy all-terrain tires. Essential equipment and supplies can be safely stored in external storage compartments that are made to be both durable and easily accessible. The 2025 Mercedes-Benz Unimog Motorhome's powertrain is designed to deliver unwavering dependability and performance. It can confidently traverse difficult terrain because to its strong and effective Mercedes-Benz diesel engine, which provides significant torque and traction. In a variety of off-road scenarios, the sophisticated four-wheel drive system, in conjunction with differential locks and unique gearing, guarantees the best possible power distribution and control. Even on difficult terrain, the car's sturdy suspension system, which is made to withstand severe shocks and vibrations, offers an incredibly comfortable ride. Carefully crafted for prolonged off-grid living, the interior of the 2025 Mercedes-Benz Unimog Motorhome is a haven of comfort and practicality. Longevity and ease of maintenance are guaranteed by the extensive use of strong, long-lasting materials. The living space usually includes cozy seats, a kitchenette with sturdy appliances, and lots of storage options for keeping possessions safe while traveling. Sleeping areas are carefully planned to optimize comfort and space, frequently using creative arrangements to house several people. A luxurious bathroom with a separate shower and toilet adds even more self-sufficiency to the car. The Unimog Motorhome effortlessly incorporates cutting-edge technologies to improve comfort and usefulness. This comprises advanced power management systems that enable prolonged off-grid living using high-capacity batteries, solar panels, and generators. For distant travel, sophisticated navigation and communication technologies are essential since they guarantee connectivity and security in remote areas. The vehicle's numerous functions may be managed intuitively thanks to the incorporation of user-friendly control panels. The 2025 Mercedes-Benz Unimog Motorhome holds a special place in the market for recreational vehicles. It appeals to discerning travelers who want a high level of self-sufficiency, dependability, and unwavering capability for lengthy treks to difficult and inaccessible locations. Although its price tag reflects its high-end amenities and specialist engineering, it is a substantial investment in unmatched independence and the capacity to safely and comfortably traverse the most difficult terrain on Earth. This vehicle is a mobile base camp designed for the ultimate adventure, not just a means of transportation.